Hello friends, I am Chittaranjan Mahapatra. Today we are going to revisit the most repeated questions of Bank PO and clerk exams. The objective of this video is to anticipate upcoming questions by revisiting previous papers and add value to our precious time. We have altered a couple of questions according to recent scenario. Let's start our journey. Question number 31. Which of the following birds has been declared as the state bird by the government of Delhi state? A. Parrot, B. Pigeon, C. House sparrow, D. Peacock. The answer is house sparrow. World House Sparrow Day is celebrated on 20th March since 2010. Its conservation status is listed as least concern on the IUCN Red List. IUCN refers to International Union for Conservation of Nature. Question number 32. Which of the following is India's largest trading partner in the world? A. UAE, B. China, C. USA, D. France. And the answer is China. But according to recent data published in 2018-19, the bilateral trade between India and USA is $87.95 billion. And the bilateral trade between India and China is $87.07 billion. So at this moment, India's largest trading partner is the USA. Question number 33. The North Atlantic Treaty Organization or NATO is headquartered at dash A. Brussels, B. Geneva, C. New York, D. Camp David. And the answer is Brussels of Belgium. The NATO is also called North Atlantic Alliance. Total members 30. It is an intergovernmental military alliance. Question number 34. Who amongst the following person is the former governor of RBI? A. Sri P. Chidambaram, B. Sri Yashwant Sinha, C. Sri Pranab Mukherjee, D. Sri Manmohan Singh. And the answer is Sri Manmohan Singh. He was the 5th economic advisor to the government of India and 15th governor of RBI and also 14th deputy chairman of the planning commission. His recent book was Changing India, which was published in 2019. Question number 35. Poverty line is expressed in terms of overall dash. A. Per capita income, B. Per capita consumption expenditure, C. Per capita entertainment expenditure, D. Per capita development expenditure. And the answer is per capita income. The monthly per capita income during 2018-19 was rupees 10,534 and estimated monthly per capita income during 2019-20 is rupees 11,254. Question number 36. Who among the following is the author of the English novel The Namesake? A. Sobhate, B. Jhumpa Lahiri, C. Shashi Tharoor, D. Upamanyu Chatterjee. And the answer is Jhumpa Lahiri. She wrote Interpreter of Maladives in 1999. For that, she got Pulitzer Prize for Fiction. Her first novel was The Namesake. Her recent novel was published in 2018. That was The Boundary. And recently, she published her first novel in Italian called Dove mi trovo. Kanha Tiger Reserve is situated in Mandla district of Dash. A. Rajasthan, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Chhattisgarh, D. Madhya Pradesh. And the answer is Madhya Pradesh. It is the largest national park in central India. Kanha Tiger Reserve is also described in Rudyard Kipling's The Jungle Book. It is also the first tiger reserve in India to officially introduce a mascot, Bhursing the Barasingha. This is the picture of the mascot. This one, Barasingha means the swamp deer. Question number 38. Which of the following is a global international organization dealing with the rules of trade between nations? A. IMF, B. IDA, C. UNO, D. WTO. And the answer is WTO. WTO was formed on 1st January 1995. Previously, there was GATT, General Agreement on Trade and Tariff. Total members 164. Now its Director General is Robert Azevedo of Brazil. Excise duty is the tax levied on A. Production of goods, B. Imports of goods, C. Sale of goods, D. Profits on the sale of goods. And the answer is production of goods. Excise duty is an indirect tax. Question number 40. Union budget is presented in the parliament by the dash. A. Prime Minister, B. Commerce Minister, C. Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, D. Union Finance Minister. And the answer is Union Finance Minister. The Union budget is also called Annual Financial Statement. It is coming under Article 112 of our Constitution. It is presented on February 1. Morarji Desai presented budget for the maximum of number of times, that is 10 times. Previously, the budget was carried in a leather briefcase, but now it is carried in a Bahi Khata. If you like this video, please share this and subscribe our channel. Thank you. If you have any question, please email edusuccessmantra@gmail.com. Again, thanks for watching this video.